Hello everyone, today I will show you how to export as MP3 on Clipchamp. And here's how it is done. Go to Clipchamp, let us add a new video and then import the video. Then you can easily click on it with the right mouse button. And as you can see, we have the audio icon where we can detach it. After that, our audio will be automatically saved to our computer. As you can see in my downloads folder, I have the audio file inside, so it will be successfully exported. This is the first way. Sometimes it doesn't work on your computer. I don't know why, so we have a solution. We can simply delete the video from our timeline. Now, we only have the audio, which we can turn on to listen to. After that, to export it, we just need to click on export and then choose the quality. After that, it will be automatically saved to our computer, but it will be still in MP4 format. Go to an MP4 to MP3 converter. Select the necessary file from the downloads folder and click open. Then click on convert, and in a few seconds, our audio will be ready. You can then click on download and the file will automatically save to your computer. And that's everything you need to know about how to export as MP3 on Clipchamp. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.